Altaqua, founded in 2008, has built long-term relationships with many commercial customers thanks to our 17 years of experience in manufacturing refrigeration and HVAC products.
Starting in 2019, we began promoting HVAC systems for grow rooms to commercial growers. Both are challenged with high humidity loads and require high-strength equipment to withstand extremely corrosive environmental elements. Altaqua holds over 88 patents, showcasing our commitment to innovation. We are certified by Dun & Bradstreet, DNB, and ETL and strictly follow ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015, and ISO 5001:2018 standards, ensuring excellence in quality, sustainability, and workplace safety. We successfully transitioned into providing HVAC systems and dehumidifiers for greenhouses and grow rooms. Leveraging our deep expertise in refrigeration and dehumidification, we are now able to deliver highly precise temperature and humidity control solutions tailored specifically for the cannabis cultivation industry. This transition was driven by the unique environmental needs of indoor grow rooms, where high moisture loads and precise control over environmental factors are critical to maximizing yield and quality. At Altaqua, we uphold the highest quality standards throughout our manufacturing process, ensuring every product reflects our commitment to excellence. Our state-of-the-art factories produce the gas and AGD lines, meticulously designed and customized to meet the diverse needs of commercial growers. From precision engineering to component assembly, each step is carried out with meticulous attention to detail. These products are subjected to rigorous testing and stringent quality checks, guaranteeing their durability and reliability even in the most challenging environmental conditions. By prioritizing safety, efficiency, and performance, we deliver HVAC systems that growers can trust. At Altaqua, we always strive to build the highest quality equipment to meet our customers' exacting demands for performance and reliability. Our factories operate with a high degree of precision and care to ensure that every product meets or exceeds our exacting standards. From the careful selection of raw materials, to the precision machining of each component, to final assembly and commissioning, each stage of production is closely monitored and verified for quality to ensure superior performance. Our goal is not only to meet industry standards, but to continually exceed them through innovation and rigorous manufacturing processes to provide our customers with reliable, durable, and efficient HVAC systems and dehumidification equipment. With stringent safety protocols, advanced testing equipment, and a comprehensive quality control system, we ensure that every product that leaves our factory is built to last in demanding environments, providing our customers with unrivaled value and trust. We believe in building strong relationships with our clients, and we regularly invite partners from around the world to visit our factory. These visits allow customers to see firsthand the production processes and interact with our team, ensuring our products meet their exact specifications and expectations. Our products are trusted by customers in a wide range of projects worldwide. Whether it's a greenhouse or a high-tech grow room, our HVAC systems and dehumidifiers provide the ideal environment for plant growth. In this section, we will showcase some of our customer projects, including real-world footage of successful installations and the outstanding performance of our systems in various environments. We actively participate in industry exhibitions around the world, where we showcase our latest technologies and products. These events provide valuable opportunities for us to engage with customers, gather feedback, and refine our solutions, ensuring we stay at the forefront of the market. Altaqua is always in close contact with our customers. We communicate regularly with our customers to understand their needs and feedback to ensure that our products and services consistently meet their expectations. When we have the opportunity, we also visit our customers' sites to inspect their equipment, ensure that our products are operating efficiently, and meet with them face-to-face to further optimize our solutions.